Hi, and welcome back to the last part of the Managing Your Website chapter. And this part is related to, as usual, chapter exercise. And in this chapter exercise, what I want you to do is just learn to manage your folders and add color to your e-portfolio, which means that if you have an e-portfolio that has several pages, I need you to apply whatever we did in managing your folders. And managing your folders part of the managing your website chapter, and try to apply it in your e-portfolio. Create your own page, your home page, and add a page for your credentials, add a page for your any kind of volunteering activity or any kind of hobbies or interests, any pictures that you have taken so far. I mean, any kind of information that you want to share with the rest of the world, any kind of videos, and just create an e-portfolio. But there should not be a professional level. If you are learning some technique, or if you're learning some technology, or if you're learning some new tool or skill and you feel that you've mastered it, or you have evidence in the form of a file, you can easily embed it in your e-portfolio. Remember, we did the object tag, and the object tag, if you look at the code, and when we were doing classes on objects, the previous topic, you can easily embed your object within your website. Your object could be a SWF file, it could be any kind of file, and the flash file, or it could be another website you want to embed within your e-portfolio. You're more than welcome to do that. Please make sure that you have a nice image. And one other thing that I wanted to show you was, okay, this is something that I wanted to show you. Check this out. This guy here, he has created an e-portfolio for himself. Okay, this is something that I want you to do, but I want you to do this using HTML. Okay, and it is very possible. Create about me, academics, academic projects, research, personal experience, lexicon, that's his company, and achievements and any extras that you have. And notice he's put up his picture, and all right, he's an engineer by day and a musician by night. That's so nice. Okay, so just add stuff like that, things that you think that people would be interested. And elsewhere he's got all of these, and you could even add icons here, all the icons here. I can show you how to do that when we get to the links part and embedding the images part. You will be able to embellish your video, your website even more. Okay, so this is just a template that I'm sharing with you, and check this out. Academics, educational and test score details. If you want to share, you can share with them, with the public. And then we have relevant and interested areas, audio programming, digital signal processing. Okay, and what I would do is create links here. Okay, links, and each link, if you click on a link, it would take you to a file. Is that possible? Yes, definitely possible. You can do it with the href, the address, and the href, or the anchor href tag. Okay, remember relative and absolute referencing. That's what we're going to apply here. That just like he's done it here, Salt Lake School. And if we click here, it's going to take you to an absolute reference that's outside this page, his institute and all of these here. But if you click a link here, for example, network music and spatial manipulation of sound, data mining, all of these have to be present in your e-portfolio as an evidence. Okay, so what am I trying to do here? I'm trying to create an e-portfolio for that also doubles as an online resume. Okay, so this is just an idea. It's up to you how you want to do it. So he's done this academic projects here. He's put all his homework here for his employers to see, and this is something that you can do yourself as well. Okay, just write it here and then add a link. Okay, and research. Okay, pretty busy guy. South Indian Bank, and these are the research operations he has here. Okay, and check this out, he's even put a video up here. Okay, And yes, we're going to learn how to do videos in the future. I'm going to show you how to add them in the HTML website. Okay, so this is like we are in the practical application of the HTML, the code that you've been learning with me. Okay, and imagine how powerful and fashionable your website would be when you add a layer of CSS coding, which we'll do in the next course. Okay, so for now, just inspiring you with this guy here. God bless him. He's been very busy and very meticulous in creating something like this. So try to create something like this in your e-portfolio. You have the freedom to do whatever you want, but I'm just giving you ideas. Okay, so that's it for the chapter 4 exercise. Okay, next is chapter 5, and in chapter 5 I would be dealing with tables. Okay, I'm going to talk all about tables. I'm going to talk about row span. I'm going to talk about col span. Okay, and these are the major things that I'll be talking about. And also I will show you how to change color within the table. This is going to get very interesting. Okay, and hang in there. See you in the chapter 5.